Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This one's a little bit different here. I'm doing this one to help out people that have this vehicle and the same problems as me. If you're watching this video, you most likely have vision with your headlights at night. They're not bright. You might have replaced the bulbs on this car. This is a 2013 Nissan Altima, and it's very known for having a malfunction in the headlights, which is the reflective material inside of the body of the headlight that gets diminished and basically produces no light when you're trying to see for visibility when you're driving. It's very dangerous, but Nissan has not put out a recall on this vehicle, but they should. It's really dangerous. I tried to fix this problem myself, keeping the same original headlights. I bought LED bulbs and I replaced the sockets in this headlight here, but the LEDs did not fix it. Still had very dim. I was confused because I bought really good LED bulbs and I thought it would fix it, but I guess, you know, I had to do more research, and then now we're here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace this housing complete inside and out and replace this housing inside and out, and that's gonna fix our problem, hopefully. So I found some really inexpensive units on Amazon right here. Came complete, ready to go in. Also came with halogen bulbs plugged in already. You don't need nothing. This just drops right in and hooks up. I wanted to get LEDs. I prefer LEDs, so I bought some upgraded LEDs too for these headlights. I'm going to keep the halogens as backup, but I prefer LED lights. I'll link this headlight pair in the description. It was very inexpensive, about like 180 bucks. Totally worth it to fix this car. This is the most annoying thing I've ever experienced, is these headlights. It's so dangerous. But this is it. Yeah, really hate this car as well. This car is known for CVT transmission issues, but I haven't had that problem yet. So let's get it down to it. It's not going to be a full tutorial, but I'll show you the basic steps and my results. First thing, let's get these headlights out. Pop your hood. We'll start off first by removing these bumper bolts right here. Removing these tabs, plastic tabs. Get this bumper off. We have to take off the front bumper to get the headlights out. So let's do that. Alright, so got the bumper dropped. There's a bolt right here, and then your car is most likely going to have the plastic piece that goes under to protect your undercarriage, but my car doesn't have that, so I didn't have to undo it from the bottom. Just undid the top clips and bumpers off. Let's get the headlights out and get them replaced. Real quick, let's do a side-by-side comparison on the quality. The one that Nissan gave you that doesn't work, the one that Amazon gives you that has good reviews and should work. We're gonna test it after, but I'm pretty sure this is gonna fix the problem. Junk that Nissan sold, Amazon. Got the headlight out. This car's been in an accident, but still drives fine. Let's get the new headlight in, get the LED bulbs plugged in, and then test it out. So I highly recommend that while you're here, you replace new bulbs, halogen, or upgrade to LED or HID while you're down here and you have everything disconnected. So that's what I'm doing. These are my old LEDs. They're going out, replacing them with new ones. But also while you're down here, to prevent further problems, get some of this electronic cleaner, clean the connections before you put your new bulbs on. Clean them, and that'll help out with the performance of your new bulbs, keep everything clean. You might as well do that while you have everything off. That's just a tip. Clean everything before you put it back together. Alright, so we got the left headlight in, the driver's side. You can already see the difference. Let's get the high beam on. And there's with the high beam on. So get everything buttoned back up together. We got to replace this side still, and then you're gonna have to adjust. Watch. They don't come ready to go. There's a little dial on them. I'll show you on the other headlight. Or it's back here actually. If you see that little knob with grooves, you have to twist it and it raises your headlight up or down. So you need to adjust it to your ride height and your vehicle to make sure you can see clearly in front of you. So don't forget to adjust that at the end. Alright guys, I'm driving around with the lights, doing a few test runs at night, and obviously the video isn't as good at night, the quality, but if you have this car and you had a similar issue, you'll understand that at least having this visibility that I have on camera is amazing, because these lights did not work at all before. They didn't work at all. Like, how could Nissan sell a car with lights that don't work at all? That's very dangerous. But problem solved with replacement headlight buckets and bulbs. Don't waste your money just on bulbs, you gotta replace the buckets as well. But everything's looking great. Alright guys, everything's back together. I finished up last night and it was too dark to show you guys, but everything is done now. New headlight buckets are in, new bulbs are in, and it fixed the problem. Headlights are no longer dim, so don't just buy the bulbs. Like I mentioned in the video at night that's coming right up. I recorded that driving around last night, so confirmed it does fix that problem. I just think the cap of my headlight bulb fell off, so don't know how I'm gonna get that, but not my favorite car, but problem solved. Time to do an oil change on it. Gonna get rid of this car soon. Not a good experience with this car. So guys, I hope this helped you out. Get your headlights fixed if you have this car. Don't risk it. Don't just replace your bulbs, it's very dangerous. And hopefully this video helped you out. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video.